Welcome, my people. But there again, them people, big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. You see? Yeah, just a certain situation I want to talk to you about. And I have a piece of video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Alright, so listen now. So, I got information that TPDCO moves to end illegal rafting on the White River. Yeah, that information that I get. You see me I say? So I got information that the Tourism Product Development Company Limited is moving to put an end to illegal rafting on the White River in Senton. Now, my people, I want to make it very clear that I saw pieces of videos that shows rafts, as well some people might say, being destroyed. See me? And me see one of the videos showing police on location or at the location. So me get information that this whole thing comes after some form of complaints had been made from visitors and stakeholders. You see me I say? Yeah, them information that I get. So it is said that among the complaints are that of sexual harassment and raftsmen operating in a drunken state, among other criminal activities in breach of the River Rafting Act. The operation includes the posting of closure notice signs which advise the general public that the section of the White River under the bridge is closed to unlicensed activities by the order of the River Rafting Authority. Based on more information that I got, it is said that illegal rafting has been a long-standing issue, and the action comes after several consultation meetings with operators undertaking illegal activities where they were informed of the illegality of their operations and the intention of the authorities to have the activities terminated. So may I say? Yeah, well, at them information, they may get my people. So a final warning was issued by the Senton police, who visited the site and requested that operators voluntarily remove their rafts by March 20, 2023. So may I say? So it is said that other public bodies, including the National Environment and Planning Agency, that are NEPA, and the Senton Municipal Corporation has also served warning and enforcement notices on the illegal operators from as early as October 2022. So peer pressure from all angles then, my people. My people, may I tell them I don't know what to say. I tell them I don't know what to say about certain things. Sometimes we just look on certain informations put out there and wonder if those informations are accurate. As I say, don't get me wrong, you know. You have some people who do some things to make some things bad for other people, you know. Yeah, man, you have some people who will go out there and do some foolishness and make it bad for other people. Straight up and down. But sometimes, some of them information they put out there makes me wonder, you know. Makes me wonder. But I just don't want to jump to no conclusion. Tell me what you think, my people. I'll meet you in the comment section if you have any questions to ask or if you have certain things to say. Now, I'm going to leave a video with you, my viewers and subscribers, and in this video, you can hear a person making certain complaint or complaints. You should say viewers and subscribers, because in the video, you can hear when the person mentioned Andrew Holness' name, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? So I would like you to listen to what the person said in this video and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with what the person said. You can tell me what you think overall about the video itself, alright? So here I'm going to leave the video with you. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up. Here's the video.
What you want to say? When they just come in?
And jewelers, please. Tell your friend them come Lego with things them and free way up.
Yeah.
And jewelers. I never did the people and vote here in fact.
Yeah.
Come mash up with ground and lock we up on this.
Yeah. None of that. Look for the
We
truck.
can't bother with that. We are dead young. We come broke today and journalists. We come broke today.
Yo, your baby how much? Your baby how much?
The baby not even past 1 month. In the panty the same way. Dead young now.
Give him a chance. Give him a chance.
Disrespect.
Give him a chance. Give him a chance. I work you want work. I work you want work. Give him a chance.
Be a big gun and journalist.
I work you want
Be a
work.
big gun.